Smart manufacturing made simple. This event really was different to the other ones because companies are really looking, how can I be more efficient on the shop floor? With the ZOLLER automation solution, we are now really able to show our customers a vision where they can bring their shop toward into the future. And we were seeing in the audience that they were very excited how easy the workflow goes.
Well, open houses are great because you get to see the full product line. You go to some of the major tool shows, most will only have 1 or 2 items on there. It's great that ZOLLER has the headquarters here in Ann Arbor, have everything out there. The customer experience is fantastic.
What was very nice to see during the last 2 days was our existing customers talking also to new customers. They are talking about their experience, they are talking about their success, sharing information, what can be done and what is available in the industry.
First of all, I appreciate the opportunity to speak. Something I'm very passionate about, manufacturing as a whole, but seeing how smart manufacturing, connectivity, data is really transforming the industry and how it applies. It's great to really share my perspectives and hopefully provide some insight to even the smaller sites that are struggling what to do next.
The gaps what we have today or what companies have today is certainly the organization on the shop floor. I mean the organization around the machine tool. What can I do in order to run my machine tool most effectively? And those gaps we want to close with the ZOLLER tool management software, with the ZOLLER automation solution. The biggest risk is not investing. Now is the time. Companies who want to be successful in manufacturers, they have to invest in automated workflows. This is very important to stay competitive. Machine tools need to machine parts. And this is where we are here to support those customers to take the phases in order to get there, in order to stay competitive in the future. What comes next is certainly the next stop is IMTS show in Chicago. We are presenting the first time live our MIG box in the United States. Our milling insert changer. This is an automated cell where we can automatically change inserts on cutting tools.
Looking at what my vision is and how ZOLLER fits in with Eaton Aerospace, when I bring others into IMTS, they'll be able to show some of those pieces and ZOLLER being on display there, but also, it's not just ZOLLER, it's the broader plant view. So how ZOLLER interacts with our CNC machines is going to be key. Working with a partner like ZOLLER makes that process easier.